Hi, how are you? I'm Mr. Muso. Today we want to talk about Zimbabwean history. Our question goes like this. Land was the main cause of the liberation struggle. How far do you agree with this verdict? Land was the main cause of the liberation struggle. How far do you agree with this verdict? So we are going to divide our question into two. We talk about land. Then on the other side, we talk about the other factors that also contributed to the liberation struggle of Zimbabwe. So on the first side, we talk about land, especially focusing on the loss of land, focus on the Land Apportionment Act of 1930 that forced the liberation fighters, that forced the people to fight against the regime that oppressed them, the white oppressive rule that was oppressing them. Then on the other side, we talk about the other causes that led to the liberation struggle. For example, people lost their lands. For example, the issue of taxation. For example, the loss of independence, formation of trade unions that were suppressed by the whites, banning of political parties, the issue of the compound system, the issue of the education, which suppressed or which promoted the whites at the expense of the Africans. We also talk about the health sector, which promoted the white minority rule at the expense of the Africans. So because of this, now we see the Africans taking up their arms, fighting against the colonial settlers in Rhodesia. So that is how we answer this question. Thank you.